back to my channel after so long, and this video is going to be about how to quarantine 101, meaning that how can you do certain activities to keep yourself busy, occupied, productive, happy, just interested in your life. Yeah. So just one more thing before we get into the video, guys, these are just certain activities I'm suggesting you to feel more enthusiastic, motivated. So in case you don't want to do any of these activities and you just want to Netflix and chill and probably just sleep your way through the whole lockdown and just eat through it, it's alright. It's up to you how you feel comfortable, what makes you happy. So yeah, make your choice as per your needs. So now we're gonna go straight into the video. Number one, okay guys, this particular one is the biggest for the whole quarantine season, if I can say that. You need to wash your hands, and you are washing them for straight 20 seconds every time you wash your hands. And I hope you guys don't take this lightly, because this is the only way to deal with this situation and without getting panicked. And you can simply do 2-3 simple things and get sorted. Number one, of course, wash your hands. Number two, stay indoors, cover your mouth, your nose and your eyes as much as you can. So moving on to the number two, we have skincare, guys. We have so much time in hand. Just put on a mask, put on some good music, put on your PJs and feel happy and relaxed. Now there is one way you can go around this whole skincare situation, easy way. Instead of trying to do your whole body routine or everything together, choose one thing that you'll do each day. Like for me, I'm going to choose face for Monday, my arms or my hands and arms for Tuesday, my legs would be Wednesday. So this week I'm just doing it, and maybe Thursday I'll do my hair. So guys, divide it like that so that you don't get burned out in one day and the next day you'll be like, आज तो मुझको skincare करने का बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं है. So yeah, stick to small things. थोड़ा थोड़ा करो और रोज करोगे तो you'll feel good about it. Okay, number three, the most interesting of the lot, I think, online dating. Oh my god, this is huge, guys. So this is a time where nobody can head out, no couples can meet, nobody can sort of go on and date people, meet new people. But having said that, it's the perfect time to meet somebody online, and you can talk to so many people right now, and you have time on your hand to actually have a substantial interaction. And the best part is, whosoever will be just hanging in to have fun or just to enjoy or whatever, they are going to get bored easily. So you will be left with only those people who will be really interested in you and just you. So yeah, just don't waste this period like that. Use it, and yeah, if you're planning to go and date people, this is the perfect time to do it. So good luck with that. Okay, number four, guys, this is for every single person. Spend time with your loved ones, spend time with your families. Probably, play something with your family, have some quality time with them. Or number two could be you can spend some quality time with your partner or spouse and actually get in touch with them, reconnect with them again. And yeah, I actually ended up reconnecting with certain friends. So yeah, that's another point in the list. So that brings me to the next point. Calling or video calling an old friend that you lost touch with, or just simply some friends that you like to interact with. They cheer you up, you have a nice time with them. So this is a perfect time to go ahead and talk to them and interact with them. Just spend some time with them every single day if possible, and yeah, you'll feel much more enthusiastic, much more upbeat and happy. Yeah. Okay guys, number 6 is a pretty serious one in my opinion. So this is about researching upon a particular opportunity that you have been looking for yourself over a period of time and trying to look how you can actualize it, how you can make it a reality. So it could be anything between having a new job opportunity that you've been looking for, or you can probably just have a new set of relationships in your life, blooming new friendships and new romantic relationships. So yeah, this is the perfect time for that. Try to figure out what kind of a relationship do you want in your life when it comes to friendship, when it comes to relationships, and be wise about them before jumping into things. So yeah, this is a good time to research and know what do you want from life, and also at the same time it's a good time to kind of remove all the toxic relationships that you have in your life. You can actually sit down, research, and brainstorm if a particular relationship is not working for you, and you can easily just fade out of that relationship with ease. And guys, I know it's difficult to let go, but this is going to lead you to a much better you. A much better situation where you'll feel more happy, more motivated in life, because you'll have only those people in your life that you love and feel loved by. So number 7 is building a new habit. Guys, it takes 21 days to actually build a new habit, and this is a perfect time for it because the lockdown has been for 21 days. I know that I'm posting this video 2-3 days later, but guys, so this is the perfect time to build a new habit and actually adapt it into your life easily. So go ahead and utilize this. It could be anything between starting to build a habit of reading more often, or starting a habit of working out every day, or maybe 5 times a day. I personally like to stick to 5 times a day because I can achieve that easily. And maybe you can also start off with a meditation routine and do it for the whole 21 window of time, and later on you'll find that you are adapted to it, and then you'll have a habit of doing it. Okay, so number 8 is have a game night with your loved ones, with your family. You can do this with your family at home. You can play games like Ludo and chess, or you can have a game like, you can play Tambola for that matter. If in case your family is not so much a game family, you can go ahead and probably play online games with your friends. They are also getting bored at home, so are you. Why don't you guys just play together? I suggest playing a different game every single night. You can probably play games with your family on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can have with your friends, and you can have games like Truth and Dare also with your friends, which are much more interesting, very intriguing, and fun. Number 9, guys, this is about improve your immunity and health. Okay, so we all are always busy in our lives, doing something or the other, busy with school, college, jobs, business, whatever, and we just get up and get ready quickly, and we're not taking care of our health so much. So I think this is a good time for us to start doing that. Maybe you can start with a meditation or workout routine, like I said before, which can be one part of it, and for the other part you can kind of build another habit of doing meal prepping. That's an easy way to spend less time while cooking or prepping your meals, and enjoy more with your meals, and have them prepared when you want to eat. And actually I have lost weight doing meal prepping, so I give a thumbs up to that. Just make sure that you don't exceed the meal prepping more than 3 days, because otherwise the food starts getting stale. Just keep it fresh and nutritious. Okay guys, 10th is so important. Volunteer to do some house chores. You can probably offer to do some help, offer to do a particular job in the whole household situation right now, where all our maids and everything are kind of off duty because of social distancing that we need to do. And this is a perfect time to actually volunteer and try to help that person in your family who is taking care of all these jobs right now. Whoever is that person is going to feel much more burdened at this point of time. So this is a perfect time to actually offer to help them. Take up a job, maybe or 2-3 jobs in a day that need to be done in a household. You can offer to clean, cook, or wash the dishes. So guys, do something or the other and try to help your family as well. It will be much more easier and smoother for them as well, and you'll end up having a nice time with your family. So yeah, that was my list of 10 things to do during quarantine. I hope that you found them helpful. If you did, do comment down below and let me know about it. let me know and DM me on Instagram as well if you have any requests for a particular video and you think that I can probably do justice to it. My Instagram handle is Vijeta_fashionfuel. And yeah, let me know if you want any other topics. You can comment down below here as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video helps you to go through this whole quarantine and lockdown period, and let's come out stronger and fitter and healthier. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.